like a Hellcat.
Welcome ulit for another video. Siyempre, replacement tayo ulit. Realme C3 LCD replacement. Nabasag eh. So, kailangan nating i-replace. And then, natamaan na rin yung LCD niya. So, try nating i-open para makita nyo yung damage. Ayan. Low-bat siya. And, nakikita nyo naman yung problema ng phone. May line yan. Maraming line. So, dito na yung in-order natin online na LCD. Ayan. So, mabigat siya. So, talagang maganda yung quality nito. Okay? So, without further ado, let's backclass this. Okay, so ito na yung LCD replacement. Realme C3. Ayan. So, hindi natin alam yung password, syempre. So, let's try. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung working ba yung touch. Okay, so far so good. Maganda naman. Yung quality, okay, good. Napakaganda. So, hindi natin matitest yung brightness kasi hindi natin alam yung password. Pero, kung nakikita nyo siya dito, maganda yung quality ng LCD. And yung touch response niya is napakaganda rin. Smooth. Okay, so, kung nakikita nyo, medyo madumi. Hindi yan madumi. Yung ano niya yan, cover niya. Yan. Skin protector niya yan. Okay. Siyempre, para hindi iwas gas-gas. Okay, so, yun lang po. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest uploads ko. And feel free to ask questions para magkaroon ako ng time is I will answer all those questions. Salamat po. Support local streamers or YouTubers rather. Thank you so much. God bless.